In the 1990s, when we started the campaign to protect Canada's temperate rainforest, we'd already lost half the intact valleys to clear-cut logging, and the remaining intact valleys were already licensed to logging companies so that they would be logged out within the next decade. We felt that we had no choice except to proceed to try to protect this rare and beautiful ecosystem. It's incredibly special, one of the most rare forest ecosystems on the planet, and trees can grow to be over 1,000 years old. And it's home to healthy populations of grizzly bears, black bears, and even a rare variation of the black bear called the spirit bear. It's found nowhere else on the planet. The industry referred to this region as the Mid-Coast Timber Supply Area. We called it the Great Bear Rainforest. We stood very closely with allies from First Nations communities who were gracious enough to invite us into their territories to stand with them to protect the lands. And together we challenged the logging industry. And together we talked to customers internationally. It took 4 long years to eventually reach agreement. But in 2001 we did, and April 4th of that year was really a magical day. We had companies, First Nations, workers, the government, and the environmental community standing together to say we need to protect the special forest, do things differently based on science, and diversify an economy away from logging. And this is a kind of solution that we need to see applied globally. Rainforests in the Congo, in the Amazon Basin, and Indonesia remain at risk, and yet I think the Great Bear Rainforest experience shows it really is possible to find a solution, protect the rainforest, the people who reside there, and also mitigate climate change.